How can you tell if your battery is nearing the end of its life?
Usually have a slow cranking start, put the battery tester on it and test the voltage.
Typically, you'll start to have a very slow drag when starting your vehicle. You'll notice that the vehicle is very hard to start at times.
Slow cranking, and like when you roll up your windows up and down, if they start slowing down, that means it's low voltage.
Start to notice a decrease in power, like the starting, like the car would start slower, or it might give you an intermittent start. In an older car, you might notice your lights might not be as bright as they used to. I mean, most cars nowadays would have a light or voltage meter on the cluster to tell you the voltage, or if it starts getting real bad, you'll have a battery light come on. And at that point, you just definitely have to change the battery. But usually in Florida, 1.5, 2 years the max. The most I've ever experienced is 2.5 years of battery, of using the same battery.